Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case in clear for the 16 Pro. I did review a couple cases from Supcase for the 16 Pro already. This one is just their Unicorn Beetle Pro without MagSafe on there. You do get a belt clip. They have multiple colors you can pick up. Like I said, I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up on their website, help them out a little bit, and also help out, me as a reviewer of the item. Like we normally do my reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Does it add bulk to your phone? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But here you go. Same normal packaging you get from them. You can pause that and read it. So this one comes with the belt clip already. So you have the belt clip. I don't really use the belt clip, but if you want it, you have it. It also comes with the built-in screen protector, which I wish they would give us one without it, but they don't. And you just kind of want to pry it apart without breaking it. Now you can pull this apart. You have instructions on how to do it too. And just take off the plastic. So will you get camera protection? I mean lip protection, yes, because it's already built in there. Maybe I should put the camera. So on that one, you want to kind of put the camera button in there first on this side, and then put the power button, the volume rockers and action button. But then what you do is you just kind of work this around, and you can hear it snapping in place. So the one thing I'm going to mention, yes, it adds bulk. It does add bulk. It's a bulkier case. It's a heavier case that normal, cases that you will get from them don't have. So it adds bulk right off the bat. But you also get lip protection. If you take off the built-in screen protector, you still, look at the lip protection you get around there. You also have camera protection there. You do. You can see that it's even raised from the camera lens there. The camera button is a cutout, and it's pretty small. It goes in deep, but the camera cutout itself is pretty small, and it still works too. Shout out to Big Blue. They're struggling a little bit, but power button feels nice and tactile. Volume rockers are nice and easy. Action button is easy to get to. You have a cutout for your USB charging port down there. Everything else lines up. What this reminds me of is you can drop your phone and have that protection that you look for in a case. It even has a built-in kickstand, which is sturdy. Yeah, so you can wash stuff like that, like this, like that if you wanted to. So multiple ways you can use this kickstand. You also have some grip on the sides here. So there's a little ridge there. Not so much, you have a little ridge up here and down there. What y'all think about that camera cutout? So this one shows off the beauty of your phone. If you like the beauty, I don't know if this color is beautiful. Some people do love that color though. I have a screen protector on there already, so it works good with my screen protector. When I'm using this case, I probably will take off the screen protector. I'll probably just use it without it. Pull it off of there. It does add bulk, like I was mentioning. The fit is good because it's a two-piece case, so there's no fit problems there. Everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Let's find out. Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues. Yeah, you don't have MagSafe, but they have a case with MagSafe if you wanted it. But if you didn't want the MagSafe one, you wanted a little bit less bulky, then you may want to pick up this Unicorn Beetle Pro. Let me try the belt clip out because people always mention the belt clip. There you go. If you're into the belt clips, it works perfectly fine. Again, I'm not into the belt clip part. I don't do them. So for me, not a big deal. But if you need it, you have the belt clip on there. So let's just wrap this video up. This one checks off a lot of boxes again. You have a good camera button there. The buttons on this case feel really good. The power button has a little ridge to it also. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The kickstand is sturdy. You can wireless charge. It doesn't have MagSafe on there. And another thing, it does add bulk to it. You have a built-in screen protector. If you don't want it, you can always remove it too. So this one checks off a lot of boxes. I will have the links in the description. If you want to pick up this case, you can definitely do so. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.